What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video. Today,
it's cold.
It's kind of cold out, yeah, a little bit cold. But one thing we've noticed in one of our videos talking about the air suspension, how we removed it on the E550. Yeah. A lot of people have comments on how we like it and whether or not they should do it. So
and like a lot of people were like, they noticed that the ride height was garbage in that video.
It was. That back then, that was bad.
Yeah, and we had a custom kit made by the Strutmasters, and we never actually showed you guys what it looks like after it's fixed. So
yeah,
we're gonna show you guys today and give you guys a little update. Put the camera on me, Nick. Put the camera on the car. How's it look?
It looks good.
All right, so if you guys didn't see our first video, this car had the air suspension from the factory. Ripped it out of there and put Strutmasters in there because the two front struts blew out on us.
You throw a picture in there.
Yeah, I'll throw a picture now. And so basically the car, it was too expensive to do that not the conversion, too expensive to put the air back in. Then we had to worry about the back going out because I'm sure those would probably go out soon anyway. So we figured we just convert the suspension. Now, if you saw our other video, you know that it's been completed, obviously, but the ride height in the back was trash. It was like 4x4 mode, basically. So we had a custom kit made by Strutmasters. They sent it out to us for free. And we're gonna give you guys an update and show you exactly how it looks now. So show them, Nick. Come on, show them what it looks
First,
like.
let me show you the front. The front's perfect. And
front's, yeah. Like,
obviously,
actually, I think it might be a little lower in factory.
Yeah, this is kind of like E55 status, though.
Wait, look at that.
Do you do finger technique?
About 2 fingers in there,
Let me see. Yeah, 2 fingers, yeah. 2, throw it in there.
Just 2. Right.
Yeah, the front. As a matter of fact, the front is actually lower because we actually scrape now. Believe it or not, we.
Every once in a while, yeah, you will like scrape on places where we never scraped before. So, hey, I mean, it'll look nicer with the wheels. Let's show this side.
Yeah.
This side looks like maybe a little higher.
Yeah, this side's a little higher.
A little more play in there. The other side's
unless
tighter.
it's the driveway's all uneven, but
might be the drive, but this side's a little bit higher.
We're Italian. We know how to make our driveways.
Yeah, did it ourselves. Now I showed the back. This is the big thing because you guys remember before, like trash.
Matt, you throw a clip in here of what it looked like before.
Right now, and then I show you now. Now we're at like 2 fingers. It's pretty tight in there. Look.
Let's see, it's tight in there now. It looks good.
Go back a little bit. Scan back on it.
Yeah, so you guys can tell it looks beautiful now.
Yeah, see, it's a good ride. I come from another angle so you can show them. Look. So it's actually a little lower than, I think it's actually lower than factory.
Yeah, definitely lower.
Definitely looks way better now. Want to come on this side too? Just show them the back of it. I'll stand over here. Look.
Oh, let me go.
I think this side might be
this side's
higher than that side.
They're all a little different.
They're not all 100% perfect. There's a little bit of play near compared to the other side, but actually I think I used these 2 fingers.
Yeah, it don't matter.
It's close enough.
Hopefully it doesn't rub once we put the buses on.
It's close enough. And then we'll show you this one. I think we already showed this one, didn't we?
Yeah, we showed that one already.
Yeah, we showed that one, but yeah, so you can see the ride height's like 10 times. Not even 10, a million times better now. It's not a truck. Oh, look at that.
It is the winter wheels.
These are winter wheels. These are junk.
A couple more weeks, we'll be putting the Vosses back on. You can see.
Yeah,
we're not paid by them, but I wish we were.
Yeah, you want to see what they look like? I'll put a picture in. No.
Maybe Voss will hook us up and get some wheels for E55.
Or somebody.
Somebody. We need some wheels.
We need some new wheels, but hey, we got a lot of expenses. That car's cost us all kinds of money.
It's fun though.
It's fun.
All right, so one of the things we've noticed in the comments, you guys obviously wanted to know what if we fixed the ride height in the back. Obviously you can tell we did.
Yeah,
and some people have also commented and asked, is this worth it? We think so.
Definitely.
So like we said, the 2 front shocks went out. Suspension. Shocks went out. It was going to be at the dealer like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. It really depends on your dealership,
Yeah.
And then if you did it yourself, I think what was the part?
Our suspension has not the conversion, but the new parts.
Yeah.
I think $700 a piece for the front. So
like
$1,400. That not including install. If you have a lift and the proper tools, you can do it yourself. It's probably not that bad, but we didn't. So
yeah, we don't have a lot of the tools for whatever. But either way, we decided we're not going to do that. We got this kit.
We don't want to worry about it anymore.
This kit with parts and labor, it was like around $2,000, maybe a little over $2,000.
That's with install.
With install, okay.
The kit was like I think $1,100 or $1,200. I forget the exact price, but
definitely worth it though. If you guys, anyone that has W211s with air, any of the R230 SLs, any of the generation with air, highly recommend. If you can look past, the only thing I say, if you can look past the terrible customer service from Strutmaster, because they were terrible, like Comcast bad.
Awful. But here's the thing though, the only downside with this suspension setup is that it's not adjustable. They're not coilover. So
sadly, because only the 4MATIC though. This is
but if you have like an E55 or a CLS rear-wheel drive version, I think any rear-wheel drive W211, they make coilovers for that, just not for the all-wheel drive one.
Yeah, which we plan on doing on the E55 once the air goes out.
Yeah, because we're not going to pay for it because we're gonna, you don't want to dump a couple grand in suspension and then it goes out after a couple years. So we're just gonna when that goes, we're just gonna do away with it.
Yeah, this is definitely worth it. And for
anyone, we'll do coils on that.
Yeah, we'll do coilovers.
BC Racing, right?
Yeah. But if you guys are like kind of iffy on whether or not you want to do it, let me tell you, the ride quality. I mean, unless you can really tell,
it's so smooth.
You'll never be able to tell the difference. I mean, it's a little bit stiffer, but
when you go over bumps and stuff, it doesn't soak up the bumps like the air suspension. But as far as just the overall ride quality goes, it's still very smooth.
Yeah,
it's a little bit stiffer. Keep that in mind. When you go over bumps, nothing's gonna be better than air suspension. So
to give you guys an idea, when we had the suspension on, we were running on our 19-inch Boston wheels with summer performance tires, and the car it was like butter smooth.
It was smooth. It was super smooth.
I mean, and we took it on some back roads. I mean, it handled like absolutely perfect.
Yeah, so we really liked it. Yeah.
As far as the product itself, it's definitely worth it. I would highly recommend it. I said, look past the customer service, just order it, get it done. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. So
and one other thing, a lot of people are probably gonna be wondering, you know, is the suspension light gonna be on? Get your face in there too. Is the malfunction light gonna be on? And when you order the kit, it comes with one of those little modules to you install so that the light goes away. We just never installed it.
Yeah.
I don't think you can hear this, but we never installed it just because we don't feel like taking the wiring and stuff apart, and our mechanic didn't want to do it because he wasn't sure if he could do it.
It's no big deal. I think when you start the car, the little light comes on, you just hit the air up.
Yeah, and it goes away. So,
but we do have that part. Maybe one day we'll put it on, but I don't know. The car ride's nice. I would definitely recommend going to. It's not worth putting the air back. I mean, on a car like this, it's not worth it.
If you truly like the air, like if you just, I mean, if that's the only reason why you, I can't talk. If that's the only reason why you bought a Mercedes is because of that, you know, silky, cloudy like air suspension,
Lincoln Continental type deal,
Lincoln Continental action going on. Maybe you want to do the air again, but you know, if you're like us and you know don't want to put up with replacing it every couple years when it goes out, you're better off doing this.
No, this is definitely.
I just want to throw one thing in. If you do decide to do the air suspension replacement, go with R-Knot because I think they have lifetime warranty on their parts.
Yeah,
so.
But this is definitely good. One of the things I don't miss about the air suspension, every time we would drive our E550 and go anywhere, as soon as we get out of the car and open the door, the ride height looked like it was a damn truck.
Yeah, it was always in like, especially the back shocks, they were always in like 4x4.
Yeah, so matter of fact, what we should do is whenever we'd go to like car shows, we get out of the car would be up in the air. You have to wait like a minute or two, then open the door to let the air come out.
Let the air out. And
I don't miss that anymore. I definitely don't. This ride quality looks way better. So
yeah, we love it, even though we've only put about what 50 miles on it.
I don't know. No, on the rear ones.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. On the rear.
The whole over kit, we got a couple 100 miles on it. It's like
sitting in the garage since the weather's kind of crappy. I know it's 4MATIC. We still don't drive this.
No.
We'll give me like an exhaust video clip or something.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a little exhaust clip to end out the video.
But let's end it now, then I'll just put it in later.
Yeah, I'll throw it in. So if you guys have any more comments and ask any more questions, please put it down in the comments. We're always checking our, you know, to see if you guys leave comments. We're gonna answer. Yeah. So like I said, if you want to know anything about switching the suspension over, put it down in the comments. But until then, we'll see you next time.
See you guys. That's good. Oh man, that sounds nice.